guys, hope you're having a lovely day. This video is a little bit different from anything that I normally do because a lot of you have been asking how I do my gel manis. I've been doing my gel manicures for like 2 years now, I think. So I done the gel mani already. This is particular style but you've been asking the most. I believe this is called b.u.beauty or something like that. I'm not really sure. I'm not the pro. I'm not like trained technician or anything like this. I just do my own, manis and enjoy doing that, and I find it super easy. So this video I'm gonna show you how I do my gel manicures at home. I got this package actually from, oh, not trying not to drop, Madame Glam, New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. Here you go. So I got this lovely package. This is what I use today to do my mani. I got 3 nail varnish colors, and then the base coat and top coat, and then a lead lamp actually, because I've been doing my own gel manis for a good few years now. Obviously I have my own LED light, the proper like big one, but this one, you guys, is like super cute mini LED light, USB operated. It has like this little legs, just trying to show you. So if you press once it's 45 seconds, if you press twice it's 1 minute or something. So it has USB plug. The only minus for me with this USB plug is a bit short. Like if I have it on a table, it's a little bit too short. I would like it to be longer, so I had like extension cord on the top of my table when I was doing my nails, as you're gonna see in a video. But other than that, this is amazing. This is very handy, especially if you don't really do often your nails. I do like once or twice a week because my nails grow so fast, and you can see that. So I just do that. Very handy little gadget, and doesn't take any space. Like it packs up, the little legs just folds in, How amazing is that, right? I love, love, love that it's vegan and it's cruelty-free, and there's no really nastiness, as much as it possibly can be. So I got the so-called Beigel, so then with 2 layers of that. Then I'm went with 2 layers of Madame Glam so-called gel polish in Lotus. Then I went, I'll show you in a video how I did the tips, how I blended the tips with this Madame Glam Perfect White shade. And then I went with the top coat, Madame Glam So-Called Top Coat. I have one more shade I didn't use today, You Free Tonight. That's an interesting name. Basically like a pinky pink shade. What else you need for this mani is any like cleaner for nails, not acetone based, because this is a soak-off gel, so you're gonna melt a little bit your gel varnish, so you don't want to use that. So I just use Indigo Shea Super Shine Effective Cleaner, no lint, like little wipes to clean off. You get the sticky part when applying the gel mani, like at the end it's kind of like a little bit sticky even after you cure under light. So this is what I use to clean this up after I do gel mani. What else you need to do is prep your nails. So kind of, after you remove, if you had any gel varnish, clean it off, move the cuticles, and then kind of zhuzh up, that's a word, right? The actual nail, so the gel part will bond to your nail rather than it would be, greasy and slidey and so on. Don't use any creams or anything prior to doing your mani, obviously, because the gel varnish won't, bond. So just zhuzh it up, clean off with this, and no lint cleaner, so there's no fluffiness or anything, and then carry on step by step as you're gonna see in this video. Okay, so I'm starting with Madame Glam Soak Off Base Coat Gel. I am going with 2 layers. So I'm going with 1 layer when I cure it for 45 seconds, and then I come back and go for a 2nd layer, and then again I cure it for 45 seconds. So if you use this Madame Glam mini LED light curing thing, I don't even know how to name it, so sorry. Then first setting is exactly 45 seconds, so if you just press on, it's 45 seconds. So I'm coming back to the 2nd coat of the base gel. I always go with 2 coats. You can go for 1 coat if you want, but I prefer 2 coats always. I just feel like it holds the gel varnish better. And don't forget to add on the tips. Loads of people forget to add it on the tips. So once again, cure for 45 seconds. Okay, time for the actual color. I'm using the color called Lotus. It's a sheer shade, as you can see. So I went for 2 coats. I normally go for 2 coats anyway with any, gel varnish, like gel polish or any nail varnish. So as you see, I went first coat, 45 seconds cure, then 2nd coat, and then again 45 seconds cure. Okay, this is where a fun begins. I use a shade Perfect White What else you need is a little sponge. This is a basic makeup sponge and the eyelash tweezers. So I squeeze the sponge between the tweezers, then I apply the gel on the tip of a nail. You can apply it on a sponge if you want, it will do exactly the same thing. I prefer on the tip of a nail. And then I tap the sponge on the top of it, so basically it does like an ombre look because you're blending the same as you would do with your makeup, the same technique. So you just tap it on, start from a tip and then gradually go down, so the color won't be as intense closer to, cuticles, would be more intense closer to the tips. So I do this, like I apply color, tap, blend the shade, and then cure for 3 times till I achieve my like desired whiteness, but you can do as many times as you wish. If you, like me, messed up and got a bit on the side, like on the skin, make sure to clean it before curing, because once you cure it's going to be harder to clean it off, obviously. So this is me doing it for the 3rd time. So this is how it will look after I finish. As I said, I always do for 3 times. It's enough for me blending, for 3 times. So this is a last cure before going with a top coat. As you see, I'm using Madame Glam Soak Off Gel Top Coat. Once again, I'm gonna go with 2 layers of this. So when I say 2 layers, I mean I'm gonna apply 1 layer, then cure for 45 seconds, and then come back and apply another layer, and then again cure for 45 seconds. Important thing when applying the gel top coat is to apply on the tips as well, like at the end, on the edge. So that prevents the nail varnish from chipping. Okay, the next step, what I do, as I said, I'm taking the cleanser and lint-free wipes and just clean off this sticky part of the nails, when you get after gel polish. So this just takes off that stickiness and your nails are nice and shiny. And that's a finished look. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Will you be recreating this, trying this at home? Because honestly, it's super, super easy to do. Easier than it might look. Give it a go. Let me know how it goes. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you find this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more super, super, super important part. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see more like nail art videos. I mean, I'm not the pro, I'm not the trained technician or anything. I just enjoy doing my own manis. And what you like to see on my channel in general, more makeup reviews, more reviews, tutorials, and yeah. Oh, by the way, this makeup look, guys, what do you think? I filmed a tutorial for this today, and I did, if you follow me on my Instagram, I said I have a big secret to share with you. So I am actually sharing that big secret in that video where I create this makeup look. So don't miss it out. It's coming after this video, so coming soon, if not yet on my channel. So thank you so much for watching and I shall see you soon. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye!